Welcome to my new video of the happy family. This two is the besties and this two is the besties. Magka-teammate daw sila. Magpapasok na tsaka birthday niya daw neto. Pulis siya. Nakuha ko lang doon sa station. Let's go. Sino yun na alarm? Uy, kay Eva! Eva, gising ka! Birthday ko! Ano? Birthday ko! Hala nga! Alarm ko 5. Dapat mag-alarm ng palagi yan! Na. Eva! Anong ating alarm? I told you di ba alarm natin mali? Ba't tayo nagising ng 5? Birthday ni Iya! 5 minutes. Ay, mahawak pala ako na baby. Dito mo na siya sa higaan niya. Ay, look, gising mo pala kayo. Yeah. Ano? Birthday? G. Ano? Tara. Let's go. Ow! So first up, I go to wear a dress, so never mind. Get away, guys. Okay, we're going to go to sofa. No, go to the bedroom. Maliligo ka? Hindi na ako maliligo. Skincare routine lang. Nakalimutan ako. Ako to. Ako talaga to. Ako to. Pretend, magkatabi daw sila ng room. May pintuan dito. Tara. And away go. Let's go. Uy, gising na kayo. Birthday ko. Sige, punta kami bathroom. Nadinig na nila. Go ba? Ayan. So, nakakatulong to. Bayan, ako ba magliligpit? I don't like the bed. I got to change it to this study one. So cute. Is it? Okay, no, it's not. Okay, now I'm going to put my one here. Gawa lang ako ng dress. Watch me how to do my dress. I think we're going to go to the dress station not there. I think I have to do for my dito. Pregnant. I think this one's so cute. And that's where rocket, I think I want to do it push-in. I mean, it's like pregnant, so we're going to take that. Oh. So cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's turning out so cute. Can I actually put her like a little skirt? I mean, no, it's not kita, so we're just going to do that, and then I like this because wait, no. Patutanggal this. Look, the heart sting. I think I want color white because it's my favorite color. Pretend daw siya si Jasmine. Joke lang, beauty. At saka bukas daw birthday niya daw, so yeah. Ayaw magagawin. Pretend niya daw ID daw niya to. ID niya daw. Hindi to ID, okay? Like this to. Pretend ID niya to, okay? Then next. Leo bag. I mean, hindi naman kailangan ng bag. So, ba't ba kailangan ng bag? For no reason. Oh, kailan kaya dadating sila mama, mga bisita ko? I think mga oras pa ng 12 a.m. Ay, 12 a.m. pa dadating. Ito ba pwede? Sa hat ko? It's pushing but hindi pwede kasi it's not a birthday hat. So let's go to this. Wait. My Shayla. I don't think so to wear. This thing I can wear this. It's cute. For eyeglasses. I didn't want to wear this. It's cute. It's very cute. Oh, I don't like that anymore. It's not cute. So I think I will pick this because it's so cute. Like, I can't wait to wear it. Like, look. It's so Shayla. Hi guys, we're going to do in the next video. Bye.